Welcome to the G45 Volume 8 Monthly Kit Introduction video. I'm Shari Filamahala here at the Graphic 45 office, and we are so excited this month to be using our hot new collection, Fairie wings. We are going to be using that to create a pennant album, as well as a slimline card for our club G45. And then for our G45 card club kit this month, we will be creating these super cute little tag pull-out cards. So you'll create 6 fun cards with that. But before we dive in and I show you more of these projects, I wanted to tell you about a few of the perks of subscribing to either one of our kits. So one of the perks of being a Club G45 subscriber is that you'll get packages delivered straight to your door every month. So you can subscribe to Club G45 or G45 Card Club, or you can do both. If you do both, we use the same collection for both of our kits each month. However, we don't use the same products. So when you receive both kits, you won't be getting 2 of anything. So it's a really great way to kind of get the full collection, as well as some fun coordinating products as well. Also, if you are in the contiguous United States and you're a subscriber, you'll receive free shipping. And you'll also learn new techniques every month by a few of the industry's top designers, Ginger Ropp of My Sister Scrapper, Annette Green, and Maria Cole. And along with your kits, you'll also receive a colored project sheet each month with step-by-step directions and video tutorials. So I will walk you through those video tutorials to help you make sure that you complete each of your projects each month. And then along with that, for the 2020, we've added a subscriber loyalty program. So with the loyalty program, you're going to be getting 10% off your add-on orders. So if you want to pick up some more Graphic 45 products that ship along with your club kits, they're going to ship for free if they ship with your kit, and you'll get 10% off those add-on products just by using a coupon code that you'll get when you subscribe. So now that I've told you about some of the perks of being a Club G45er, let's jump right in and show you what you'll be creating with our Fairie wings. So the first thing that we are going to be creating is a pennant album. So this is an exclusive Club G45 product, and we're using these ivory scalloped albums that are nice heavy duty chipboard, and we'll be covering those with our Fairie wings paper. Along with that, we'll be creating some fun interactive elements, such as this little pull-out tab where it'll reveal a secret photo or image, and just gives you extra space for all of your extra photos that you're going to want to put into your album. We'll also be creating some interactive flaps, some fun and easy ways to do that. And then we will have, using some of our just the cut apart pages, we're going to be doing some simple scores to add just some fun ways to add extra space for those images. Maria Cole is the designer for our Club G45 this month, and she definitely did not disappoint. You can see on these this double page spread that she's done some fussy cutting around those yellow daffodils, and then just taking some of those cut aparts, we're going to stuff those into those cute little pockets, adding a lot of space for journaling and interaction. And then we'll just start to repeat ourselves. So you'll see we'll have some more of these flaps, and just making a fun, easy album to create with lots of interactive spaces. And then after we're done creating this album, with our leftovers, we are going to be joining the hot new slimline card trend, and we'll be creating a fun hidden message slimline card. So we will show you how to create this one, but you will even have some extra leftovers that you could create even more slimline cards. And then for our G45 card club this month, we're going to be creating those super cute little tag pull out cards. We're going to make 6 of these, And this month, these cards are all about dimension and details. So we'll be doing a lot of great little fussy cutting, pulling out all of the fun images in this collection. Since there's so much fun stuff to work with, we'll be doing some fussy cuts of fairies, some florals, and then just using those ephemera and journaling cards to really maximize this collection's full potential. It's fun with these little pull-out cards or tags. You can add a little photo or a little nice message on the back, just making these cards even more personal and special. And this month, like every month, Ginger Ropp creates our G45 Card Club cards, and she never disappoints, always teaching us new techniques and fun ways to use Graphic 45 products. So we hope you hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, to subscribe or to pick up these kits, or just grab your supplies that you have at home, and let's go ahead and start creating these projects. You can find the links for these tutorials down in the description below or up in the info cards. Either way, you're going to be able to find a link to get to these tutorials super quickly, and we hope that you have fun creating some magic with us this month.